my dear fellows. My name is Zuhaib Khan, and here is my CRN and my batch number. Today, I'm going to discuss my research work and view on cryptocurrency. My dear fellows, first of all, I would like to tell you that the word cryptocurrency is derived from the use of cryptography to secure and verify the transaction. Now, let's come to the word cryptography. My dear fellows, cryptography is the use of complex mathematical and algorithms to encrypt and protect data, ensuring that transactions are secure and anonymous. Now, let's come to the definition of cryptocurrency. As you can see, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography and based on the network that is distributed across a large number of computers. Cryptography is basically, in cryptography, we encode our information and send to the receiver, and here receiver can decode it to translate on in their meanings. Now, I would like to discuss the purpose of cryptocurrency. The first purpose I'm going to discuss here is decentralization. Dear fellows, cryptocurrency operate on decentralized networks, removing the need for central authorities or intermediaries. This enhances transparency, security, and user control over their funds. The second purpose is peer-to-peer transactions. Cryptocurrency enable direct transactions between parties without the need for intermediaries like bank. This allows the faster, cheaper, and more efficient transaction of value globally. Now, the third purpose of cryptocurrency is financial inclusion, and the fourth one is security and privacy. Cryptocurrency is going to enhance the security and privacy so that the user can use it more efficiently. Now, one of the best purpose of cryptocurrency is innovation and technological advancement. The development of cryptocurrency has spurred innovation in areas such as blockchain technology, smart contracts, and decentralized application (DApps). Now, the benefits of cryptocurrency is same as the purpose. Anything made for its purpose is also the benefit of it. So here, the benefits are decentralized, security, privacy, and accessibility. These are the major cryptocurrencies to invest in 2023. These are Bitcoin, Binance, and all these other that you can see here. The future, we all know that the future is about the cryptocurrency, about the digital and virtual currency. So, in my opinion, the cryptocurrency has a huge future, has a great future. And the last one is cryptocurrency's risk. My dear fellows, as we know that to invest in the companies, we have a backup. As company has an assets, their financials are published in public. So we know that if the company is going to in liquidation, then we have some amount we can recover from it. But in cryptocurrency, we have no backup plan. Once you invest in cryptocurrency, you will either go higher or go lower. There is no backup of any amount you can recover from it. So the huge, I'm going to tell you that these are the risks and challenges, including price, volatility, regulation, scalability, security, and the last thing is you can invest in the Bitcoin, in the cryptocurrency, but on your own risk. This is all for the today. Thank you for having me here.